it's July 13th, 2025, and Nalu has her first photo shoot with a professional photographer that she answered a model call for. This one is to have 4 paws or 2 paws on something and then get a soulful shot, so getting like the puppy dog eyes, which Nalu's really good at. So we're actually going to take her paddleboarding after looking at what the photographer wanted for the competition and what won last year. So this will be her first time paddleboarding, her first professional photo shoot, and Alex is going to be the influencer boyfriend and take you guys behind the scenes. We ate dinner, packed up the paddleboard, the puppy's in the back, you can hear her. And now we're going to go get gas, get a Dr. Pepper, and then head over to Grayton so we can go ahead and pump up the board, introduce Nalu to the board, and then the photographer will be there at 7, and it's currently 5:45.
And I'm driving again.
And Alex is driving again.
I'm good. There you go.
My next adult purchase is going to be an electric pump for the paddleboard and kayak. Good. Sit. Yes. Okay, off. Off. Nalu, up. Sit. Yes. Nalu. Sit. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Nalu, breathe. Nalu, up. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Can we come up here? Sit. Down. Yes. Good job. Free. Nalu, up. Sit. Yes. Stay. I don't want to stand on it, though. Good girl. Good job. Yes. Sit. Down. Good girl. She's doing so good.
Even alligators coming.
Wow, an alligator's coming. No, the alligator's coming. Wow, good job. Look at you in your life jacket. Wow. Are you so cute? Nalu. Brrrah.
I've been filming the whole time. Appreciate it.
Look, Nalu, it's on the board.
Oh, is that a camera?
Yeah, this is a camera and then I had her phone going too.
Is that the DJ?
Yeah.
DJI,
I've heard
yeah.
a lot of things about
The
that.
Osmo.
Obsessed with it.
Nalu.
Because it's loud or not.
That's true. I really enjoy your vlogs because I like hearing what you're like doing in the picture and how. Can we sit on the pretty part?
I love watching her training videos. It's just
Thank
so
you.
fun to see how smart she is.
Oh my god.
And because you got her so young, how much confidence.
And she just like got in the water and was like, oh, we're swimming now. And I was like, okay. And then she didn't like the obstacle.
Super confident. I've never seen such a super confident puppy before. And I'm like, yeah, it's because I got her so young.
Yeah.
And then she went and got an Aussie after that. And then when we went to a on that thing,
That's how Sebastian is.
Lexi's like, watch me.
Yeah, she today jumped on the couch. So she got the zoomies, jumped past Sebastian, jumped on the couch, jumped on the back of the couch, leaped off the wall onto the floor, and then jumped on Sebastian.
Oh my god.
And I
Yeah, like
because that was kind of impressive.
That was pretty,
But like,
you
can
shouldn't
we
be jumping on backs, but that was pretty
can
cool.
we not do it again? Oh. You can't go too far. You only got 15 feet. Oh, zoomies. Are you wanting a treat? Can you sit? Will you sit for a treat? Will you just sit there and look cute for a treat? Nope. We're gonna get the zoomies. Oh! Up, up. Up, up, up. You got it. You got it. Nope, that's okay.
Good try, though.
Girl, Nalu. Okay, bye. We are home. We all showered. Nalu is bathed and currently in her crate resting. Sebastian is so excited that we're home, but she did so well. She exceeded all our expectations. The photos that I got to see in a sneak peek on the camera turned out so good. So if you want to see those, make sure you're following us over on Instagram at The Salty Sheps so you can see them when we post them, as well as some of the behind the scenes photos that I got, well, actually Alex took while we were there, and we will see you guys